Or is it Colombia? Kirat, Chechnya. Leave the bottle. Less work for you.
De nada.
Guapo, you listen. Rule 16. A guerrillero's revolution never ends. Always another war, another cantina, another ugly bartender.
Juan Cortez.
What do you think gave it away, Guapo?
This isn't a fucking zoo, abuelo.
Clara sent me to find you.
See, I learned long ago never to doubt her. You will too. Hey, I know you.
Don't think so.
Yeah, I know you. It's like I'm looking at a mirror, Guapo.
What are you talking about?
Those eyes, guerrilla. You got a taste. You convince yourself you're a hero, but you wake up a junkie, just like Juan Cortez.
This is a fucking waste of time.
Can you whistle?
What?
Nah, you can't whistle.
A la pinga!
You fucking rat.
You're worth more dead anyway.
The fuck?
See, Guapo is in love with you, and I ruined the only copy of my book. Bueno, mis socios, vámonos. Once again, we have outstayed our welcome. Bite and roll, Guapo! Bite and roll! I see! Okay, we're good. Let's get the hell out of here before the whole fucking army shows up.
Repinga!
Drunk, but I'm not that drunk.
Right behind you, old man.
We're fucking around. Guapo wants to be your friend. Or maybe he just needs to take a dump.
Only one way to find out.
Come on, let's get the fuck out of here. I can tell you handled a gun before. What's your name?
Is you're a legend.
Coño.
Dale.
You're crazy.
Juan is talking.
Donnie. So Clara says you're a legend. Ex-KGB, ex-CIA.
I got more fucking exes than your porn search history. Some men, they break eggs for breakfast. Hold up. New plan, Danny. Vamos.
The plan is to go back to Clara's camp. Where the hell are we going now?
See that smoke? That means the watchtower just got a supply drop with some of the rarest materials you'll find in Yara. And you are going to go get it.
Now you want me to steal shit for you?
Gunpowder and Supremo Bond. The cerveza and chaser of Resolver. I'm gonna teach you to make shit for weapons. Because making shit for weapons is cool. And it's rule number 9. Always use the right tool for the right job.
You coming with me?
Fuck no. You got Guapo. You can tear shit up with him. But if you want to be sneaky, leave him behind. That cutie loves to make a mess.
At least you're here to help, Guapo.
Weapon or not, the military will shoot me on sight here.
Over there.
Message from Presidente Castillo to Yara.
There are those who seek to bring chaos to Yara. These fake Yarans will be purged from our paradise.
Guess this could be useful.
An announcement from el Presidente Castillo.
We have all heard the name Outcast. This name is a lie.
More shit for one.
This name is an injustice to the Yarans drafted to rebuild paradise, who sacrifice everything they have for Yara. Those who are drafted are treated like the heroes they are, with the best food and medical treatment we have to offer. The camps are a crucible, and those who pass through the justice of this system will look back on their work with pride. They owe us their duty, and we owe them our gratitude.
This is more like it.
A special announcement from el Presidente Anton Castillo.
There are lions, and there are lambs. Which are you?
Sabias palabras de nuestro presidente, Antón Castillo.
There is a wall dividing our country. On one side stands Clara Garcia and Libertad, agents of chaos, treachery, and destruction. On the other stands the true Yarans, agents of truth, order, and loyalty. Every Yaran must ask themselves, on which side do you stand?
Message from Presidente Castillo to Yara.
Yara will become paradise once again. But this paradise comes at a cost.
Found all your shit, Juan.
Good work, Danny. Now hurry up already. We need to get back to Clara's camp.
That's what I've been saying.